Hi, today I'm here with me, HTC Desire 22 Pro, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So first, just hold for a while your device home screen and then click here to Home Settings. After that, you'll see here Show Google App, and just to turn off Google Fit, we can see that this switcher, so we just should turn it off. Now we can see that the Google Discover is turned off successfully. If you want to turn it on, by the same way, go to the Home settings, click on the switcher, and now we can see that Google Discover is activated successfully again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.